What's up? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to easily stake your Cardano ADA. Welcome back to the channel. Sergio here with Surge Tech. In this channel, I do a lot of reviews, tutorials, and talk a lot about crypto. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video like this. There's going to be links to everything that I talk about in the description down below, so check that out and let's jump right into the video. Alright, so as a Cardano ADA holder myself, I decided to make this video to show you how to easily stake your Cardano ADA. So to start off, there's many different ways you can stake your Cardano ADA. Some exchanges offer staking for Cardano ADA, although it is very limited, and now I think there are different platforms where you can stake your Cardano ADA, like Exodus, Atomic. Before, you were able to, in some places, you're able to stake on Binance as well. However, the platforms that I'm going to recommend are the decentralized platforms suggested by Cardano. So the platform that I'm going to talk about in this video is the one I use and the easiest one in my opinion, which are either the Yoroi Wallet or Daedalus. And I personally use the Yoroi Wallet. And also the great thing about Yoroi is that you can also download it on your phone. So you can go to the App Store, type in Yoroi. It's going to show Yoroi Wallet, and it's going to be this one down here. Emergo's Yoroi Cardano Wallet. Okay, so just go ahead and download it. I already have it downloaded on my phone. You can also download the Chrome extension or web extension, and I'm going to have a link down below in the description. And I'm going to jump into my computer now to show you on the screen here what it's going to look like. Okay, so once you click on the link down below, it's going to take you to the Yoroi Wallet website. It's going to look like this right here. You're going to select the download button right here, and it's going to give you different browsers to choose from: iOS app, Android app, or Firefox, Edge, or Chrome. So select the one that you wish to use. I already have it downloaded for Chrome, so it says remove from Chrome here, but here it's going to have the download button, so just go ahead and download it. It should take a couple seconds to install. Alright, so once you click on the Yoroi app, it's going to take you to your dashboard right here. It's going to look very similar on if you're using it on the iOS app or Android app. So here, this is my current holding right here on the Yoroi app. So all you're going to pretty much have to do is you're going to have to send your ADA to your Yoroi wallet, and you can do that a couple different ways. If you have a hardware wallet, you can connect it to your computer while you have the extension open and stake your ADA directly from your hardware wallet. If you have your ADA in a exchange, then you're going to have to transfer it to your Yoroi wallet or Daedalus wallet, whichever one you decide to use. So here what you'll do is you'll select receive, and you will create a address, and then you'll copy and paste that address to the exchange where you're going to transfer your ADA from. So you're going to click on receive here. Here you're going to copy your address and paste that exact address on the exchange where you're transferring your ADA from, and then you'll just wait a few seconds, maybe a minute, and then you'll receive it here in your total ADA. Once you have your ADA in your Yoroi wallet, then you're able to stake it, and it's super quick. All you have to do is go to delegation list. Here it will give you a list to choose from the top delegation pools. Here is the percentage of annual percent return that you should receive after every epoch period, and this is the 30-day average here. And then once you find the pool that you want to stake with, then you will select Delegate. I currently chose this one right here, Rocky Mountain Pool. So you'll select Delegate, and then I'll just ask you to confirm how much of your Cardano holding in your wallet you want to delegate, and it'll ask you to confirm and place your password. So for example, let's put Delegate here. As you can see, here it's going to ask you the amount, your password, and then once you're ready, hit Delegate, and it will automatically stake your ADA. And that's pretty much it. Then all you have to do is just wait, and you should receive your rewards every 5 days, as an epoch is 5 days. So another very useful website is adapools.org, and it's this website right here. Here you can check out more information on all the stake pools that are available, what they're paying, If you click on them, it will give you information about that stake pool, you know, their message to everyone, and it'll give you stats on how long they've been open for, the number of delegators, you know, when it was registered. A ton of information here that can be very useful when choosing the stake pool that you want to stake your ADA in. Another useful website is stakingrewards.com. Here you can see the average of the annual reward percentage that you can receive for each cryptocurrency. So here we have Cardano, Polkadot, Avalanche, Ethereum 2.0, Cosmos, Tezos, and here is the percentage reward that you can expect to receive from each one on average. So Polkadot has usually been a little bit higher. Here, at number 6, Terra Luna, 34%. That's super high. Although I only stake on assets that I'm hodling, that I'm truly confident about, which is this moment Cardano and Polkadot and Ethereum. And I also have some Cosmos Atom as well. So useful websites to get information when staking, and they're all going to be linked down below in the description. So that's it for this video, everyone. Smash that like button if you got some value out of this video and if it helped you out. And that's all for this one. I'll catch you in the next video. And as always, peace.